tinatawag na hindi man Old Testament ang ating sitwasyon ngayon, pero meron tayong tinatawag na modern doctrinal drift practices na taliwas sa katotohanan ng Ebanghelyo ng Panginoon. Tingnan natin. I'm not saying, Pastor, nasa church pa rin naman ako. I'm not saying na you're absent yourself from the church. What I'm saying, you still used to be close to the truth. But now you are drifting and you are far away without knowing it. I am showing you where are we at now from the truth that we have received. Are we far away from it? Are we drifting away? That's what the author of Hebrews was saying here. Hey, don't drift away. Yun yung warning. Syncretism Christianity. Ito yung paniniwala paghahalo ng gospel at popular beliefs. Baka pwede naman pagsamahin yung pungsoy, tsaka horoscope, tsaka yung anting-anting. Para kung hindi mag-work yung gospel, may anting-anting pa. Baka hindi mag-work anting-anting, meron pa pungsoy. Horoscope. Kung saan yung mag-work, doon ako. Syncretism. Yung gospel, may tinuturo sa'yo. Pero ang option mo, hindi yun. Kundi syncretism na. May pamalit ka na. Yan. Ang problema dyan, binabawasan nito ang sufficiency ni Kristo sa buhay mo. Parang sinasabi mo na, hindi sapat si Kristo, kailangan may horoscope pa. Hindi sapat yung horoscope, dapat may anting-anting. Yan. Yan. Ito, luck charm. Yung printas ko, St. Christopher to. Alam niyo ba yung mga ganun? Dati meron ko niya, St. Christopher. Hindi mahalin niya. Diba? Kahit na hindi masyadong gold dyan, tinubog lang sa ginto. Basta St. Christopher yan, luck charm yan. Last, but not the least, relativism. Ang paniniwala niya, okay na kahit anong paniniwala, basta sincere naman ako. Sincere. Yan. Ang problema nito, inaalis ng exclusivity ng gospel. In other words, you may be sincere, but you may be sincerely wrong. That's the problem. The gospel truth, salvation is found in no one else but only in Jesus. Yun po yung mga bagay na, nandiyan ka na ngayon. See? Are we here now? Or are we supposed to be here? Where are we in the truth of God's gospel? Nagdidrip na ba tayo? I'm not saying that you're not the church anymore. Pwede na sa simbahan ng linggo, pero malayo kami sa katotohanan. Iba na ang pananaw mo sa buhay. Mas matindi na ang materialism, ang worldly perspective mo, mas matindi na ang pananaw mo sa moral issues, iba na. Malayo na sa katotohanan. And I believe this is a warning to all of us, including myself. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Let us heed of that warning that makes sure we are not drifting away